Okay, now we've assembled our lamp head, we just need to add in the fixing, so add in the bolts through our pivot here. So again, exactly the same process that we did on the previous video. So insert, standard components, and we are going to use nuts, bolts and screws. Again, M6, 55mm. Again, if you remember, you don't need to do the connect mate on the actual pin because it's already on the bolts, right? It's already done, so we just need to find the hole. So just zoom in. Again, if you come out, that's it. And then find the centre. That's that section done. We're then going to put a washer on there. So again, standard plain washer, M6. Insert that. That's the same as that. And then finally we're then going to put on our nut. I think that was one that we used previously. Yep, that's the same one. So M6 again. That's it. So we've got that. Again, if you don't want to see these mate connectors, if you just right click over them, hide all mate connectors, you're then left with a finished connected thing. So once we're happy with that, tick the box, and then we're on to our final piece. So we just need to add our lampshade on now, but it's starting to look almost finished. So again, click on insert, find our lampshade. Again, we're just going to drop it on there, and we just need to think what's going to be the best method of joining. So we definitely need a fastened mate, so we click on fastened mate, just zoom in there. So again, I'm going to use either these two faces, but I'm going to use this face and then look at aligning, putting my mate connector in this front top corner here, and then rotate round. I want to select this top face, and again try and align. Just zoom in, make sure I've got the right part. That mate connector there. So it looks like that's correct. Happy with that. So click on the tick box. Don't need any more mates with that one then. So we've got our lamp. Last little thing we're going to do is obviously it needs to be attached with a couple of screws, or 4 screws in the bottom. So again, go to insert, standard components, bolts and screws. This time we're going to use a little self-tapping screw, I think. Let's have a little look. I'm not going to picture that one, so I'll change that actually to another one. So we'll go slotted head screw. Should we try something else this time? What should we say? Let's have a look at that. Oh, I think I might go and stick with that slotted pan head that we did on the other one. I'm going to make it a bit smaller actually, this one. So I'm going to look at a M3 this time. Again, doesn't need to be as long, so only going through 3mm of acrylic. So probably need it to be about 12mm long. That gives us sort of about 9mm into the wood, which would work. And with this, we're going to insert. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So connect it into there. The second one, insert again. So hover over, once you're happy, left click. Insert the final one. And we are done. Just right click to get rid of those mate connectors, And there we go, that's how our lamp is manufactured and assembled. Clearly the only thing that we haven't got in there is our LED cable that goes into the slot underneath, so it's secured by that acrylic. It goes out of the hole, cable then loops over the elbow into that top hole, runs behind this cable cover, then comes out the bottom. Obviously that then gets plugged into your USB port, normally on your computer or your laptop. But that's it, a completed, assembled Year 9 lamp. Like I say, that'll actually rotate and pivot using that sort of rotational mate. So well done to get to that stage, Year 9, that's amazing work.